Ansell Lighting is undergoing an extended period of growth, and therefore the storage and distribution operations are crucial in supporting that. Quite simply, the current requirements in the warehouse don't meet our needs. So as part of the expansion, we want to future-proof our operation. So we carried out a lighting upgrade to strengthen the sustainability of the warehouse and our operations in line with our commitments. We wanted to improve energy, efficiency and reduce ongoing maintenance costs, as well as increasing the flexibility of the lighting in the long term by utilising our most up-to-date and cutting-edge luminaires. In addition, the project aimed to improve the operational efficiency of the warehouse and ensured it continued to meet all the required safety standards. Within a warehouse there's lots of challenges. There's varying ceiling heights, different racking heights, different bay widths, and all of which needs to be considered in the design. The Z-LED linear Opti-X is a highly flexible high bay, which is ideal for these requirements. It is a multi-wattage luminaire with a choice of 4 options, so we were able to install it throughout the different racking aisles, adjust the beam angles to suit each one, all whilst maintaining a consistent look and feel throughout the space. One of the key areas of the warehouse and distribution operations are of course the loading bays, part of which are open to the elements and therefore require a robust luminaire. So we chose the Z-LED Performance. It's an IP65 rated fitting, it's robust in design, it has good thermal properties, which gives it a good longevity in those conditions. A big advantage of this product is it's very easy to install. It's got a pre-wired cable, as well as it being a CCT fitting. So CCT allows us to have 4000K, 5000K and 6500K, which gives us full flexibility within that workspace. So the Z-LED Opti-X we chose because quite simply we could plug and play with our existing Hawk pack. So the Hawk pack is very discreet. It's able to fit above the Z-LED Opti-X for a discreet appearance. The benefit with the Hawk pack is its plug and play capabilities. It has the emergency self-test function and reduces our ongoing maintenance for our emergency fittings. All the benefits of the luminaires we chose for this project were amplified by integrating them with OCTO to create a complete smart lighting system. It enables us to independently control each of the luminaires within the warehouse. It also allows us to group those into aisles and give us greater flexibility and control, but with the added benefit of the dimming, which helps to drive our energy efficiency within the warehouse and control our ongoing costs. OCTO Insight was introduced to give staff the ability to integrate and monitor fittings online, and this has really paid off for us as it has made the maintenance of the emergency fittings around the site much quicker and easier. Predictive maintenance is a key thing for us with OCTO Insight. It allows us to maintain those fittings, it allows us to predict when and if we're going to have an issue, and we can address that. The data coming out from the OCTO Insight platform is key for us. We can interrogate the data, but we can then use it to drive further efficiency improvements and further improvements to the building management as a whole. Well, the results are clear. In the warehouse, we've got a much brighter, and the light quality within our warehouse is much improved. It's a much easier place for our staff to work within. We've seen a massive electricity reduction, which has resulted in just over 9 tonnes of CO2 per year, saving for the business just with the lighting upgrade within the warehouse. I think the lighting warehouse upgrade project has demonstrated what Ansell do. We practice what we preach. We've installed the latest luminaires with the latest technology within that warehouse. It's improved the lighting conditions for our staff, as well as being a great showcase for our customers. And most importantly, we're making energy efficiency savings, which is a key for our business as we move forward.